We're reviewing the NP-BX1 for Sony, a dual charger that is PD20 18 watt QC 3.0 charging with a smart technology window. This is compact, nice in size, products from Llano. So what we're going to do is show you our Sony HX90, our Sony ZV-1f, and we have here's the Sony ZV-1 Mark II and other types of Sony cameras that takes the NP-BX1 battery. Spare batteries. I'm going to open up the package and show you what you get inside. Inside the package, nicely packaged, is your Llano charger. Please peel off any protective film from the product. We have a quick guide you can simply go over, the user's manual. Located on each of the sides are accessory packages. One package contains 2 batteries, nicely packaged. They're from Llano, NP-BX1 4.2 volts, 1090 mAh. The other accessory package will contain your case and cable and lanyard strap. Your cable's USB-C to C compliance. Charging your unit, plug in a USB-C cable 5 volts and the unit has 2 dashes on each side. Please remember to peel the film off. Your unit already comes charged and we're going to remove our cable and plug in a USB-C to show you the voltage of the unit. 5 volts up to 2 amps. When you open up the case, it's magnetic with the SD card slots, and the batteries go with the arrow pointing in one direction. Please remove the battery and correctly turn around for the correct charging. Arrows point towards the right. We have both batteries, 32-34% charging. The lid can be simply closed. It has a foam insulation for protection. We have an on and off switch we can simply press to see the power. We're plugging in USB-C to C quick charge QC 3.0, showing you that we are 9.1 at 1.2 amps quick charge. With the Llano batteries and any other batteries from Sony, as well as other companies, they will fit into the unit and they will charge. Follow the arrows pointed. Once placed in correctly, they will charge. It is a PD 18 watt charger for your Sony HX, ZVs, and other Sony products that take a NP-BX1 battery. I hope you enjoy your Llano rechargeable power bank case for charging Sony NP-BX1 batteries. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.